Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find the cupcake costume and the hot dog costume. It's not been removed, it's just placed somewhere else. So the first one is near the salon here. You're just going to find the cupcake outfit here. And then for the hot dog costume, you're just going to walk, this is outside of VIP, walk to the right, and you'll see the hot dog costume there. And that is basically where the hot dog and cupcake costume is, just to impress on the latest Valentine's Day update. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!